From the drive home to the pit stops, the class lectures, and the routine checkups, life is best experienced under better light. But how do you make things better? It starts by making better things. And for us, that means making them closer to home. It seems simple, but at Cree Lighting, we've learned it makes a big difference.
One thing that we take pride in at Cree Lighting is that the majority of our products are designed, tested, and manufactured in the United States. That means that there is a tight synergy between our product development, our engineering, our reliability and quality teams, and our manufacturing teams.
We're not only focused on making solutions that last, but on redefining what's possible, from the lighting we engineer to the value we add. After all, the difference between good and great lighting is often defined by who you're working with.
It's an excitement that I've done this from scratch. I've built it from the ground up, and I get to see it go out the door to the customer. It's a great sense of pride that we can look at that and say, you know, we did that.
At Cree Lighting, our teams are made up of dreamers and doers who are committed to making their communities, our communities, a better place to live and work. Because when you design, test, and manufacture some of the industry's most innovative solutions right here in the U.S., you can't help but feel proud when you look up and see them right in your own backyard.